Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to list a digital product on Etsy for beginners. So let's get started. So here we are on etsy.com/sell because we will be selling our products, digital products right here. So what we can do is that make sure that you have logged in your account right here. So make sure that you are logged in. It's very simple. You just have to log in with your Gmail. I recommend that because it's with just one click you can log in here on Etsy. And let's just go here at the bottom so that we can see the fees right here, because I think this is very important to you. So it's simple, transparent, and secure. So there will be a fee for listing here on Etsy, but don't worry, that fee is very worth it. You get more what you pay for, because it's just simply 0.2 or 0.20 cents in dollars. So in USD, this is just in PHP because this is my currency here in the Philippines. And you have 4 months right here for just 0.20 cents, or until they sell, just like that. And here on 6.5 transaction fee, so for every sell that you make, there is a small commission and standard payment processing fee. So it's 6.5 fee, 4.5, which is 4.5% plus 25 pesos, or which is simply 0.40 cents on USD payment processing fee. And of course, 15% offside ads free. So Etsy pays to advertise your items across the web through offsite ads. So your items are already advertised through offsite ads. You only pay a fee when you make a sale from one of those ads right there. So there is a fee when you make a sale. So that means that you won't be really paying for anything because it will be deducted from your sale, just like that. And now listing fees are billed 0.20 USD. So the amount in your currency may vary depending on the changes in exchange rate, processing fees, and whatsoever. So now that we have discussed this important bit right here, then you can explore here also if you'd want to. There are a lot to know more here, but we're not gonna dig into that because we're gonna just go and go to the process right here. So let's click on get started. And from here, you will be right here first on shop preferences. And as you can see, I've made quite a progress right here. So I just tested things out. And here on the shop preferences, you will be prompted right here first when you click on get started. And from here, you want to set your country and your currency, of course, your preferred currency. And after that, you want to click here on save and continue. And from here, you want to name your shop. So in my case, it will be just like this. So remember that it should be between 4 to 20 characters, no special characters, spaces, or accented letters. And now let's go save and continue again so that we can next move on to the next step. And from here, you may want to create a listing now. So this is the time where you want to enter the details of your product so that you can create a listing. So, and as you can see, as we get started here in the journey of Etsy, we can already create a listing and start selling. So what we can do here is add a photo. So in my case, I'll just use a random photo right here. So let's just say I want to choose this one right here. And as you can see, it says listing looks best with at least 200 pixels wide. So let me just change that into something like this one, maybe this ticket. Let's say I am selling a ticket right here, and just delete that. And as you can see right here in ticket, so I'll just not mind this one because this is just for example. But if you are doing this for real, then you should take this into account, because it might not look good when you are publishing your product right here. So make sure that you don't have this notice right here. And after this, you have the video right here. You can provide a video if you want, or if you have one. You can have it in maximum file size of 100 MB. And finally, on the listing details right here, we're going to provide a title. So in my case, in my sample case, I'll just go and say this is a concert ticket PNG, because this is just a digital product. This is just a PNG right there. Or maybe let's just go for movie, just like that. And from here, you can see the about this listing option right here. So who made it? So you can select a maker, so a member or whatsoever. In my case, I'll just go for I did. And what is it? A finished product, or this one if you think this is right. So a finished product, and when did you make it? You can select the year right here on which year it has been made. And from here, the category. So since I am selling a PNG, which is a digital product, so I can go for digital right here. And when you type digital, you will have a lot of search results right here that you can use. So in my case, I'll just go for digital in digital print. And from here, let's go and let's go and modify our primary color, secondary, and whatsoever right here. But this is just optional because, as you can see, it doesn't have this symbol right here, this asterisk symbol. So if it doesn't have that, then it is just optional. You can just leave it as it is, or unattended if you want, because that is not necessary. But if you think that you want to modify and that is necessary in your case, then you should modify it. So from here, we'll just skip this right here because this is subjective right here depending on what you are selling. Let's just go for this one right here on the important stuff. So for the renewal options, you want to make sure that you have your preferred renewal frequency. So from here, I just want it to manual, so I don't want it to charge automatically in my card for 0.20 USD each time, so I'll just do it manually. But if you don't want the hassle of paying it manually, then you can just go for automatic. It's just $0.20 anyway. And the type, of course, we're going for digital because this is a digital product we will be selling. And now for the description right here. So one cool thing is that we can use ChatGPT for this. So let's just go into ChatGPT, and from here we can go into a new chat right here and send a message. And from here we want to make a product description about a movie ticket, focusing on its convenience, affordability, and quality of viewing, just like that. And then maybe we can say that make it 5 sentences only, just like that. And just wait for ChatGPT to finish answering. And as you can see, there it is. We have now our product description, but just take note that you can make this as long as you want right here, and you can modify it here in ChatGPT depending on what you want for your description. But in this sample, I'll just be using this one, so I'll just be pasting it right here. And now let's move on right here. So for the price, inventory pricing, you can put a price as you want. So in my case, I'll just go for 150, which is around $3 here in USD. And the quantity, of course, let's say I'll go for 99, or maybe I'd like it for to be unlimited, so I'll just put the highest possible number right there. And SKU, if you want to add it into your product right here. And personalization, if you want to personalize it more. And digital price, so collect personalized information for this listing. If you want that, you can turn it on right here in this toggle. And digital files, buyers can download these files as soon as they complete the purchase. So here you can send a customized note to buyers of digital items after the item is downloaded. So you can upload it right here. So if you have any additional notes or something that when your buyer finally downloads your file. And for the returns and exchanges, the digital items aren't eligible for returns and exchanges on Etsy because of the nature of these items. While it's not possible to edit this policy, when a buyer reaches out, you're still free to resolve as you see fit. So you will have no responsibility for this. All you have to do is, just attend to your buyer if they have any complaints, and that should do it. And now, once you're satisfied with all of this right here, the details that you have input right here, then you can just go and save and continue so that we can proceed. And as you can see, it says fill out all the required fields correctly in order to preview or save. So that means that there are some things that we haven't answered right here that has this symbol right here. So to find which one it is, then you can just go here and you can see this notice right here, and it says to publish, fix this file. So you can click on files right here so that it would automatically send you right here. So files, let's find the files right here, and digital files. As you can see, it says right here, please upload at least one file. So let's just upload one. And let's just say for this one. So this is just an example. So in your case, you want to take it seriously and think about it really considerately. So from here, you can go and save and continue. And now we can proceed. Great job on your first listing right here. So you're one step closer to your first sale. Consider adding a few more things. So from here, let's go for do this later right here. And now that we're here on how you'll get paid, so from here you want to provide a little bit about yourself, your address right here, and your bank information, of course, so that this is where the payment of your buyer will be sent, and this is where your profit will be sent or received. And then you'll go here and set up billing and your shop security. These 3 remaining steps right here are very simple and easy, so you'll have no trouble with that. I don't need to go through it for you because it is just subjective. You can have it, or you just need to input your own information right there. And after that, you can just go and click on save and continue, and you will have your product listed already here on Etsy. And after that, you're basically done. And this is the beginner tutorial for Etsy and selling a digital product. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.